Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a cute rabbit.
Let's start drawing.
First, I'm going to draw a little heart. It will be the nose of our cute bunny, its mouth, and the beautiful eyes. Add some lines here for his mustache. Now I draw his head and his two very long ears. Then I draw his body with his 4 legs. And let's draw a carrot. Great! And finally, his cute little tail. Amazing!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I'm going to color this cute rabbit with the colors of the rainbow. Red. Then I use orange, yellow, light green, and a little bit of light blue. I colored this part with purple. Then pink. Red. Orange. Green. I love it!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.